Indian Railways has made a giant leap in the station redevelopment program. With the inauguration of Gandhinagar Capital Railway Station by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 16 July, India will now have a first of its kind project which is set to offer modern services to the nation. Redevelopment of the Gandhinagar Capital Railway Station will uplift the economy of Gandhinagar city by acting as a city booster to create an investment cycle and job opportunities for people. This unique project has been taken up in partnership with the Government of Gujarat and Ministry of Railways through Indian Railway Station Development Corporation (IRSDC), forming a joint venture company named Gandhinagar Railway and Urban Development Corporation, or in short GARU. It will also propel similar developments in land-state cities like Mumbai and Bangalore, wherein work on the redevelopment of 125 stations is already in progress. Out of this, IRSDC is working on 63 stations and RLDA is working on 60 stations, with 2 stations being taken up by zonal railways. The total investment for the redevelopment of 123 stations along with the real estate development is more than Rs 50,000 crore. Now let's go over the unique features of Gandhinagar Capital Railway, which makes it future ready and eco-friendly. The redeveloped station will function like a city center rail mall, where travel will only be one of the several functions that it will serve. In the near future, it is planned to open retail, food and entertainment outlets in this area to serve the demands of the passenger as well as the local population. Known market players such as Big Bazaar and Shoppers Stop have also shown interest in opening their mini outlets, making it convenient for the passengers and local population to shop at the station. The station offers an accessible environment for persons with disabilities and is built with unique modern facilities like a baby feeding room, improved signage, modern toilets and an interfaith prayer room for the common man. Gandhinagar Railway Station is the Indian Railways' first station to have adopted the Engineering, Procurement and Construction EPC model, which is going to help in the execution of such complicated projects in crowded areas of the cities. The station conserves the natural built environment through the use of sustainable materials like Portland Pozzolana cement, fly ash bricks, etc. It also aims to reduce the water and electricity requirements through energy efficient designs, rainwater harvesting and recycling of water. The Ministry of Railways puts the station redevelopment program in its priority list, wherein redevelopment projects have already been implemented in Gandhinagar, Gujarat, Habibganj in Bhopal and SMVT at Bengaluru. Meanwhile, the station redevelopment program is under progress in Ayodhya, Bijwasan, Gomti Nagar, Delhi Safdarjung and Nagpur. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more such developments from all across India.